Right here is the Saddle Up edition for May. We'll go ahead and open it up, see what we got. It's normally 2 discs, a merch item, and sometimes something else random. So let's go ahead and get it open. Disc number 1. I'm guessing that's going to be a Dos Equis. Oh, it actually says it right there. I didn't even see that. Perfect. Ooh, that's pretty. What is that? Tumbleweed. Glow Bravo. I don't know if I've ever thrown a Glow Bravo Tumbleweed. So that's pretty cool. I love the color on that too. And it feels like a shirt and a headband maybe? Yeah. Feels like a headband and a shirt. That's pretty cool. And it is a Port & Company cotton shirt. And has a pretty cool little logo. And the front just says Lone Star Disc. See if there's anything else. And they gave us another sticker. Throw that one on the sticker wall with the shirt. The little red hairband, bandana sort of thing. And looks nice if that's something you would wear. And the 2 disc. We got the Dos Equis, and we have the Glow Bravo Tumbleweed. I haven't thrown a tumbleweed except one time, so I'm excited to see how this one throws. And the Dos Equis is just an overstable fairway driver, so it's pretty much just going to throw like an overstable fairway driver. But some people really love it, and this one just looks really cool and has a triple color stamp on it. As of now, these are still available, so go ahead and head over to lonestar.com and pick up your own Saddlebox subscription. And one new thing, you can type in Mark Confer and click apply and save 10% on almost all of the discs available at lonestar.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, make sure to put them down in the comment section below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. That really does help my channel grow, and I want to continue to do things just like this to show you what these kind of boxes look like and other rare discs that I get. You can look at all my playlists to see all my disc dies and also a lot of opening up boxes of some limited edition disc, and so hopefully you like it. Thank you so much and have a great day.